Hey guys, I picked up a pocket knife the other day on Amazon. I liked it so much I wanted to come back and leave a video review. So here we are. This is the box that the knife comes in. It's by a company by the name of Jellas. And as you can see, the box is really pretty the way it is. You could actually put a bow on this and give this as a gift just like this without actually wrapping it. Really, really nice box. Inside, a thank you card from Jellas. A word from them, an owner's manual, or the user manual for the knife. Inside it has about the knife, opening instructions and closing instructions, and some extra notes on there. So inside the package you get a nice leather holster that you can use on a belt, as you can see here. The stitching is very nice on this product here. A nice strong snap, so it actually fits. The knife fits in here nice and snugly, nice and snug, I should say. And you also get a sharpening stone. This is a nice feature. You don't need this right away because the knife is already sharp as is, but it's a nice feature to have, so when you need it you have one. And of course the knife itself. Here's a close-up shot of the knife. It's a really pretty knife, as you can see. It has olive wood on the sides. The body is made of aluminum, and the blade itself has Jellas on it. It's stamped. It's printed on there, and the steel type is printed. And the blade, a double bevel blade. It is not serrated. Very sharp indeed. The blade itself, I'll put a little note here. It's a 9CR18 MOV. It's basically a high-end stainless steel that has a high corrosion resistance to it, and the wear on it has very high wear, so this won't go dull very quickly on you. It holds the edge for a long time. Now, inside the knife is a bearing where the blade actually hinges at. That bearing allows for smooth opening and closing. It does have a spring inside there as well to assist you in opening and closing. To open it, you have two options of opening it. You can use your thumb on the little thumb screw there, or whatever that's called. I forgot the name of it. And you can push it and it'll open up. And also in the back it has you can use your pointing finger on the back tab there, and when you pull on it, it actually opens the blade up like that. So it can be done one-handed. It can be operated one-handed if you're careful. You just swing it open that way, or press with your finger like that. To lock it, or to unlock it, it has this metal tab right here, this metal spring, and you push it down to the side and it allows you to close it. When it's open, it's nice and secure. I've tried banging on it to see if I can get it to release that lock. The lock does not release, so it's actually nice and stable there. The blade itself does not wiggle inside the body. That's always something I look for. If the blade wiggles, you know it's not made well. This actually is nice and tight. As far as sharpness goes, very sharp out of the box. Let me show you on a sheet of paper here. I'm just going to slice it. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but let's try. So again, this is just, I haven't actually put a stone on it. Let me get it started. I haven't put a stone on it at all, and it's not bad. There we go. It's not bad at all for a just off-the-shelf knife. You haven't even put a sharpening stone on it. So overall, great knife. Be a great gift for anybody. I plan on carrying this as a daily carry. You can use this camping. You can use it again just to keep it in your pocket when you open in boxes or whatever. So if you're looking for a knife, I'd say check this one out. This is a really good deal for the cost. Thanks for watching.